friends, welcome to Swap and Glue. I have received this swap and glue package from our friend Penny of Penny's Crafty Creations. And she says, "Hi Jovi, thank you for doing the swap and glue and for being my swap partner. I have enjoyed this collab." And Penny, I am so glad that you have enjoyed this collab. Oh, look how pretty that is. I have enjoyed bringing it back as well. It's been a lot of fun. So that's gorgeous. That feels like a gel plate or just playing with some papers. That's really pretty. I love it. Well, let's see what Penny sent. Here's my paper that I'm going to do it on. And we got, oh, that's so pretty. So she drew these flowers or maybe she watercolored first and then drew the petals, and oh, that's so pretty. I love that. And then look at this. Oh, that's gorgeous. That's a belly band. But I could use that to embellish this swap and glue. That's real pretty. Oh, look at this. Oh, I love it. Oh, this is bringing some stuff to mind. Wow. This is, she says, from the live she did. Oh, how cool. And this is a cute little dog bone paper clip, and it's so cute. So look at this, you guys. This is beautiful. If you want to see how she did this, check out her live. Gorgeous. Oh my God. Both of these are absolutely beautiful. Now let's see what else we've got here. We have some what looks like vintage images. Look at this project. Love that. Some jelly plate creations. Oh my gosh, they're gorgeous, Penny. They're so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, here too on book page. Love it. Beautiful. Oh, these are fantastic. Well, if I don't use these today, I'll use them in a journal. That's for sure. That's fun. Oh, how cute. Is this a cake? Wow, let me see if it is. No, it's not. Yes, it is. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. That's fun. Okay. And then let's see what we have here. We got some mountain climbing. Okay, that's scary and fun. And some nice nature scenes on the water. Love it. We have an outdoor wedding. Oh, very cool. Very nice. Oh, look at the little kid. His sign says just here for the cake. That's so cute. Beautiful bedspread with yellow flowers. I like that. Look at the clock at the top. Isn't that awesome? Oh, these are really cool images, Penny. Oh, did I even look at the other side? I didn't. We've got some nice tableware. Very pretty. Very pretty. All right, and then we got some people on motorcycles, and then we have a nice map. Very cool. Okay, really, really inspiring stuff. All right, let's gather the things that are inspiring me here today. I would definitely like to use this belly band in our collage. So I'm gonna put this right here because it's super, super pretty. And I'm very fond of this because of the way that these look together. I'm going to cut out this clock because I think it's really cool and I like the color palette of it. I think we have to cut out the dog. So let's just go ahead and do that. And then I think we have to cut out this picture of "I'm here for the cake." And I would like to attach this to the dog. Oops. Oh man, I was cutting through 2 pages. Who knows what I even cut out? That's so funny. Let's attach this to the dog somehow. I'm gonna do a little pre-glue with this to get this together like it's hanging around the dog's neck. And then I have this sash, but I don't know if I really need it. I don't think it's gonna work. Let me cut out, oops. I don't think I need it. I think I'm gonna leave it like that. I don't wanna make it too complicated. Okay, so we've got this so far. Now I feel inspired to, let me take another look. Since the dog has a sign that says, I'm here for the cake, let's go ahead and cut out this beautiful cake. All right, looking good. All right, and let's begin working with this as well. It's absolutely stunning, Penny. I need to come over to your house and just sit there and play along with you because these are just fantastic. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put this down for a background. And we're gonna do the same with this one. Right now it is time to play with this piece. All right, I'm liking this. I'm liking it a lot. Now I would like to use this one and bring some of this in, bring these hearts in. We have a wedding going on. Well, we have a dog that likes cake. But it still makes me feel, I definitely want to use these, and I definitely want to use these hearts. So let's get in here and do it. We are going to tear away this edge here, and we're going to tear, we're going to go like this. Yeah. Okay. Hopefully I did that thick enough. Let's find out. Okay, let's pull this down here. There we go. Okay, I like that. Let's get rid of this very bottom piece. Let's get rid of this too. There we go. Don't want any hard edges. There we go. All right, I'm going to tear this right across the top here, and we're going to add that right here. Ah, this is looking so cool, isn't it, you guys? I love it so much. Okay, now I'm coming in with some flowers. What I'm gonna do a little bit of cutting away. Oh, whoops, I meant to include the blue one. Oh well, that's okay. We will include it. It'll just be differently than I had originally planned. But let's go ahead and get this beautiful flower down here into the corner. All right, my friends, we're going to go ahead and put this flower up in this corner. And now we're going to tear this picture. We're going to take the edges off of this picture. All right, now I'm going to cover this space here with some of this image. How about that? That looks cool, right? And guys, this tear here is so wide and it's so bright white. I think I'd like to go in and just cover it up with my ink here, with my marker. I think that's good. I don't think I really need to do that anywhere else. Yeah, I think we're good. Okay. All right. It was kind of bothering me a little bit. Anyway, all right, next steps. What we're going to do, I think I'm ready to get the belly band on. And with the belly band, I'd like to put this picture, might tuck this under it a little bit, right down here near the bottom. And then I like to put this clock right about here. I'm loving that so far. So since I'm happy with that, let's go ahead and glue all that down. That means this piece has to go down first. And I'm gonna mark it where the corner is, so I remember that that's exactly where I want it to go. All right, now we're going to adhere the belly band. I love this interactive piece. This is so fun. Beautiful, isn't it, you guys? Love this. That's so cool. Now we're going to go ahead and add our clock. If it's your first time here, welcome. Welcome to Swap and Glue. And I wanted to mention to you that I'll be putting all of my swap and glues into a journal. And that'll be a lot of fun. All right, now let's create, I love this. I love this side. I'm super, super happy with it. Once this dries, I need to go ahead and cut the ends, but I'm really loving that. So now we're gonna work on the other side, and we've got cake. We have this dog who is here for the cake. So we could do something like this. And then I wonder if we need a little something else. Let me look around. Well, hold on now. We've got this yellow flower that would really give a serious pop of color. And we actually have the whole group. So let me take a minute, you guys, to cut around these flowers. And then I'll get back with you and we'll try them on the page and see if we like them, okay? All right, my friends, I cut them out. Let's go ahead and play with some ideas. So I love the pop of the yellow, especially on here because it'll really stand out. So let's just say we put these flowers here. And then he kind of blends in. Well, she's got a skirt on, so it must be a girl dog. And so she blends into this background a little bit. But if I put her here near the flower, I think maybe that helps. And then we've got the cake. And let's see, if we put the cake here, right here. What do you guys think about that? I think that's so stinking cute. I like it. Okay, so we're gonna do it. Now she's gonna go on top, so we're gonna just remove her. I like the way that I have the cake in between the petals. So I want to pick this up, oops, just as it is, if I can keep it there. And you know what I might do, actually, is, let's see how I have this. Okay, I have this like this. So let me just get a little piece of glue right under here. Kind of glue that together first. See if I can get it where I had it. I think it was like this. I think so. Now that that's together, I can go ahead and spread glue on all of it. I love that with swap and glue, you just don't know where you're going. But you just start going, and then it just evolves, right? And it becomes something. And I love the experience of that so much. I love the unpredictability. I love how it grows as you're working on it. And it's just great fun to me. All right, now I see that I could get this cake underneath this leaf right here, and I think I'd like to. There we go. Or petal. Okay. Got it. My fingers are sticky and gooey, but I am good. And I know that we wanted the cake right about here. So we're just going to put this down right there. Okay, very nice. All right, my friends, this is looking so cute. Let's go ahead and add some glue to our dog and the sign, because remember the dog is holding the sign about cake. She's just there for the cake. So cute. All right, here we go. And we're going to put her right near the yellow flower. And her sign's going to be touching the orange flower, and I like that. All right, my friends, here it is, and I absolutely love it. I'm going to get it up close for you here. I'm going to start at the bottom. Just here for the cake. Cute little dog. I did some polka dots around the flowers and the dog just to make them pop on the page a little bit more. But don't they look so cool? And then we come over here. We have our belly band and our cool clock. And then this really neat black and white picture. Really, really, really happy with how this turned out. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for joining me. I appreciate y'all so much. Thanks for watching. See you soon.